In this demo, we show in 3Data Expert how to define printer, workspace or platform in the software and how to move the parts into that workspace. The platforms are defined inside the Print Preparation Platforms tool. There seems to be one platform already in the list, but let's define a new one. So we press New button, then we give some name for this printer platform. So let's call it My Printer. And then we define the size of this platform. So let's say the shape is box and the minimum values can be zeros. And we say that in the maximum size is 250 each direction. We know the slice thickness of our printer. We can set it here also. Let's say that for this printer it's 0.01. The slice thickness you set here is also used in the slicing command automatically. The same goes with the jet compensation value. We know the value, we can put it here. Let's say that for this printer is 0.005. The value you put here is also used automatically by the print preparation jet compensation command. When they're all parameters been set, then we click OK to save our new platform. More platforms can be defined in similar way. When you are preparing data for a specific platform, you not need to remember different parameters for the machine. You can just select the correct platform from the list. To be able to see the platform in the graphics area, you can press the Show button. After that, we can close the platforms window. To get better view of the dimensions of the new created platform, we can show the grid by this grid display button. And we can see that the dimensions we selected are now in this platform. Like the maximum values for X and Y was 250. And also the Z maximum value was 250. If you want to hide the platform from the graphics view, you can use the platform display button here. Now when we have defined a new platform, let's move some parts into that. We can add parts with file insert command. Now we're looking one STL model, so let's change the file type to STL. And it's this Rava 2 we want to open. And now, because we only want to do positioning, we select the view model mode, and then we can close this. You see that the model was opened, but its position in the coordinate space center, so it's not inside the printer platform. For moving the part to the platform, we have special commands. In print preparation menu, you can find move to platform commands. The first one is move positive. There you can give some minimum point values. Let's say that we put now 10 for X and Y, and let's put also 10 for the Z value. These values are the minimum points for the part bounding box. So the part bounding box minimum value is set to this point. If we click OK, we see that the part has now been moved to the platform. Inside the platform area, the second command for moving the part to the platform is print preparation move to platform move center. Here the parameters are a little bit different. Here the center point means the position where the part bounding box center point should be positioned in the X and Y directions. And the program automatically sets as default the center point of the platform area. And you can also then separately set the distance from the bottom level of the platform area. So maybe we put 10 here also now. When click OK, then the part is moved to the center of the platform area. And now it's more far from the sides because the part is positioned in the center. There is also a third command available, print preparation, move to platform, move level, and that controls only the height from the platform bottom level. So now previously in the previous command we set it to 10, so let's put it like 20, then we see the difference. We click OK and look from the X direction. We see that now the part is 20 units above the platform bottom level. The same moving operations could be done also with the transform operation with the interactive move or the numeric move. But with these special commands, it is a little bit easier. So this is how to define printer platforms inside the 3D TaxPad software and how to position parts inside that printer platform.